Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click the subscribe button and the bell icon for more videos. Today, we have rounded up the DIY wall storage ideas for you. Keep watching this video until end to learn more about DIY wall organizing and storage projects that you can easily make out of wood. Modern day homes lose their charm when they are cluttered. The secret to a beautiful home is not just its decor, but also how organized it is. Whether you live in a compact apartment or a spacious home, you're always looking for more ways to boost storage around the house. Therefore, we are here to talk about furniture storage ideas where you can stash your stuff. An ideal storage furniture piece not only declutters your space but also enhances its decor. There are plenty of storage furniture options available for every room of your house, be it the living room, bedroom, bathroom, kitchen, or even the garden. Having lots of things or collections at home requires you to have a good storage area. Actually, the size of the storage depends on your needs. The storage that you choose must match the items that you have. So, don't force small storage to put too much stuff. One of the must-have storage places is a wooden rack. This rack is usually made of wood such as teak, mahogany, pine, and many more. Open wooden racks can make it easier for you to take and store something there. But if you don't tidy up regularly, your wooden rack that should be good can turn out to be horrible. The use of wooden racks, which is a smart solution that can answer the need for a storage place as well as an art object that can beautify your room. The process of wooden racks can also add warmth to your room. Because wood is an element that can provide warmth with simplicity. You can place this wood shelf as a place to store books, shoes, wine, bags, plates, and so on. And now there are many furniture stores that provides various forms of wooden racks that you can choose. There are various shapes and sizes, so before buying it, you have to determine the size that matches the free space where you put the rack. Look for an attractive rack design because the rack doesn't only serve as a storage area but also functions to provide aesthetic value in a room. Don't forget to choose the color of the matching wooden rack combined with the wall color in the room so that the impression of warmth can appear with the presence of this rack. No matter which DIY style you prefer, there are always pretty and practical projects here for you. I hope you were inspired to skip the store and create your own DIY wall shelves instead. Which one of these ideas was your favorite? I'd love to hear from you in the comments. If you would like to keep up to date with my latest videos about DIY projects, woodworking and more, you can subscribe us and click the bell icon for notification when we upload a new video to the channel.